Once upon a time, there was a family of pigs. There were a pig mommy and 3 little pigs. One day, the mommy said to them,
"My children, it's time for you to go out in the world and seek your fortunes, but take care that the wolf doesn't catch you."
The 3 little pigs said goodbye to their mommy, and they went to live their lives at home. Each one decided to build his own house. The first little pig was the most lazy brother and built a house of straw with the help of rabbits. The second little pig was very lazy too, and built a house of wood with the help of woodpeckers. The third little pig was hard worker and built a house of bricks with the help of dogs. One day, the big bad wolf was hungry. He saw the most lazy knocked the door and said,
Little pig, let me come in.
The most lazy little pig refused to open, and the wolf said,
Then I'll puff, and I'll huff, and I'll blow your house in.
So he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew down the first pig's house. And the little pig ran to his brother's house.
The big bad wolf was still hungry. He saw the very lazy little pig house. Knocked the door and said, Little pig, let me come in. The very lazy little pig refused to open, and the wolf said, Then I'll puff, and I'll huff, and I'll blow your house in. So he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew down the second pig house, and the little pigs ran to his brother's house. Big bad wolf was still hungry. He went to the hard-working little pig house. And he blew and blew, but the house didn't fall down. Bad wolf climbed on to the roof and jumped down the chimney. He fell into the fire. The big bad wolf ran away, and the three little pigs lived happily ever after.